Welcome to the course registration session for the Arts, Performance, and Design Division. We hope you are excited and thrilled to begin your incredible journey with us. These will be the topics we will review in this session. This session is designed for students who are new to Pima and are ready to register for their first semester. The main purpose is to teach you how to find program information, how to register for classes, and how to connect with your assigned program advisor. So let's get started. We hope you enjoy the Arts Division commercial showing all the amazing programs offered and the incredible work of our students.
One, two, ready, play.
I think the problem in scene one is we don't know when to stop being aggressive.
Drag that guy over and up here.
And I should work here.
There's nothing up there. You're wasting your time.
Good, good. So see how he brought you down, right? That's beautiful.
There's the photo and reposition it into the frame.
Bigger, heavier instrument, heavier bowl.
Like there's so many cool things that we can do with the virtual space that you can't do in like a normal traditional classroom.
One, two, one, two, one, two.
Right there, but you can then twist them together after you heat it up.
We're going to place photos and text in sort of the same pattern, page to page, so that we can learn about creating a master page.
I think this is the best thing I've ever made in my entire demo career. Anyhow.
Two, one, two, three, four, off.
We hope you enjoyed this awesome video. You can also find more information on the Pima Arts page. Go to pima.edu, Community, the Arts. You will be able to see upcoming events and artworks as well for each different department. These are the different programs offered within the Arts Division. We have Digital Arts, which are Associate of Applied Science or AAS degrees. We have Digital Arts with the option of Graphic Design or Web Design concentration. We have Film Arts and Animation with the option of Film Arts or Animation concentration. We have Game and Simulation with the option of Animation and Production or Programming concentration. We also have Fashion Design, which falls under the Liberal Arts Associate of Arts degree. This is a transferable degree. We also have the Visual and Performing Arts with 3 different concentrations. They fall under the Associate of Fine Arts or AFA degrees. The 3 concentrations are Music, Theater, and Visual Arts. To help you understand program requirements, you will work with our amazing art team. Students are assigned to a program advisor based on your last name. For students with the last name starting with A through L, you will work with Melania Federico, Academic Success Counselor. For students with last names M through Z, you will work with me, Fabiola Munoz, Program Advisor. All students who are new to Pima and who need assistance with new student admissions process, you will work with Ryan Smith, Enrollment Advisor. Emails are also found on this page. An important question you will be asking yourself is, how do I connect with my program advisor? Other than using the email, you can use an incredible resource known as Pima Connect. Pima Connect is a place where you can find what we call your success network. Your success network includes your program advisor, your instructors, and a lot of support connections around the college. Let's take a moment to find out what is Pima Connect.
Hey Aztecs! Congratulations! You're more than halfway through the semester. At this point, you're probably asking questions like, what classes do I need for next semester? How and when can I register? Who can I talk to about my program? When can I graduate? How do I ask for help? To make things easier for you, we present, wait for it, Pima Connection. This powerful tool will allow you to schedule an appointment with me, receive important updates and advising notes, communicate with your success network, connect with other college resources. Go to My Pima, click Students, then Academics, then Pima Connection, and get started.
We want all students to succeed. During your journey with Pima Community College, these 3 steps are very important. As your program advisors for the Arts Division, we want to ensure that you are able to connect with the college, continue moving forward with your education, and complete your educational goals. Let's start reviewing important resources you will use. Be sure to activate your My Pima account. This is your go-to resource for all your transactions with the college. Many classes will also use D2L Brightspace, which is the learning management system that Pima Community College uses for online classes. If you register in a class that is online, hybrid, or virtual, you will use D2L Brightspace. It is also important to learn the 3 main resources you can use to locate your program information. The first one is the Pima website, which lists the classes required for your degree or certificate. You will be able to see if there are any general education requirements, which are the core course requirements, and maybe support course requirements as well. Go to the Pima website, pima.edu, Academics and Programs, click on Degrees and Certificates, and you can find information either by choosing the category, by typing the program name, or by searching alphabetically. Here we can see the link for the Fashion Design degree. A second important document is the semester pathway. This is a document created by the department and it lists a suggested course sequence. This is something that can also be found on the Pima website. In this example, I am using the Fashion Design concentration degree. You can find the semester pathway document inside this blue box. You click on the link and it takes you to the document and you can see in what order you should be taking your classes. A third resource is My Degree Plan. My Degree Plan lists your academic progress, so it is tailored to each individual student. With My Degree Plan, you will be able to see the classes you have completed, the classes that are in progress, and the classes that are still needed. My Degree Plan is found on your My Pima account. Go to the Students tab, Academics link, scroll down, and you will see My Degree Plan. We also want you to understand program requirements. Programs can either be associate degrees or certificates. The AJAC stands for Arizona General Education Curriculum. It is a 35 credit certificate or 11 classes total. It transfers to the Arizona State Universities, which are University of Arizona, Arizona State University, and Northern Arizona University. The AJAC is completed for transfer degrees, which are liberal arts, business, and science programs. Within the arts division, you will also be completing the AJAC for the Associate of Fine Arts degrees. CTE stands for Career and Technical Education. It is a 15 credit general education requirement, which are 5 classes. These credits apply only to the Associate of Applied Science degrees. Within the arts division, this means that you will be completing CTE requirements for digital arts programs. Programs also have core class requirements, which are the courses that provide a broad foundation for your program of study. Some programs also require support courses, which provide additional knowledge and skills for your program of study. Some programs also offer concentration options, which allow you to choose a specific area of study. Another important terminology to know and understand is the prerequisite versus co-requisite. A prerequisite is a course that is required before you take a higher level course. For example, you need to complete Writing 101 before you complete Writing 102. A co-requisite is a class that you take at the same time. So for example, you need to take Math 92 Lab with the co-requisite of Math 92, which is a lecture class. Now let's review the schedule of classes so we can understand what each item represents. The number 1 item is the CRN, which is the course registration number for the class, and it helps identify it in the system. Item number 2 shows the meeting days and times. In this example, the class is meeting on Tuesday, Thursday, from August to December, 8:15 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. You can also see the campus location as well as the building and room number. For item number 3, you will be able to see the modality of the class. Pay close attention to this area because you will be able to see whether or not the class is offered in person, virtual, online, or hybrid. In item number 4, you will be able to see the status of the class. This means it will show you if the class is still open, if it's closed, or there's a wait list option. In item number 5, you will be able to see the seats that are available either for the class or for the wait list. In item number 6, you will be able to see whether or not instructor approval is required. If instructor approval is required, you can look for the instructor's information on the college directory found through the Pima website. You will also be able to see whether or not there are additional fees for the class. Fees are required for classes that will be using additional materials or equipment. In item number 7, if you click on the gray box, you will be able to see a course description, and you will be able to know whether or not there is a prerequisite or core requisite requirement or if there are any recommendations set by the department. Now let's take a look at this registration video tutorial, which will teach you exactly how to register for classes.
To search for and register for classes, log into your MyPima. Go to Students and Register and Pay. To search for classes, click on Online Class Schedule and scroll down. Make sure you have the correct term and location. For Fall 2020, most classes will either be virtual or online. You can scroll or type in your code. For this example, we'll be doing STU 100. There are additional search criteria you can use to narrow down your search, and click Search. Scroll down to find a class that meets during a day and time that is interesting to you. Please note you will need the CRN number to register for the class, so please write it down. Notice the day, the dates, and the time. If your class is showing as virtual, it means you will be meeting with your professor and other students at that time virtually. If the class is listed as online, it is asynchronous and you will not need to meet at specific times. Make sure the class is open and that there are seats available. Come back to your MyPima and click on New Registration System and register for classes. Make sure your semester is correct and continue. There is a search function within this system, but is not as robust as the one we just showed you, so it is not recommended. Click on Enter CRNs. Enter the CRNs that you have written down and add to summary. You will see the course populate in the lower right-hand corner. When you have listed all of your courses, select Submit to register for the course, and you will see a status here. If there are any errors, you will see these here. If you want to drop a course, follow the directions, come to this list, select Drop, and Submit. You'll see the status is dropped.
Remember, in order to register for classes, log into your MyPima account, go to the Students tab, click on Register and Pay, then look for the Register for Credit Classes link. Make sure you choose the correct semester. Let's review once more. Go to your MyPima account, Students tab, Register and Pay, Register for Credit Classes, Register for Classes. In this example, we will be using Fall 2021. Continue. The video tutorial showed you how to enter CRNs. You can continue entering CRNs and click Add to Summary. You can also use this search option if you would like. Type in the class. In this example, we're using STU 100, which is the College Success and Career Planning class. Click on the option. You can choose specific information here or leave it blank and click Search. And you will see all the courses being offered for that semester. You can scroll down the page and see how many pages there are for the STU 100 classes. You can also select to show more class options. You can also change the column width so you can view more or less information. When you have chosen a class that you like, you click the Add button and you will notice it will populate on your calendar as well as your summary box. The classes are shaded in gray and they are pending status, and you will be registered once you hit the Submit button. Remember, either option works. You can either enter individual CRNs or choose this search option. Both will allow you to register for classes. After you complete your registration in your classes, there are important steps you need to take. The first step is to check your MyPima account. Go to the Students tab, Academics link, and you will see your My Schedule box. This will show all the details of your courses, including the days and the times that you will meet and the drop and withdrawal deadlines. Regarding payment, if you are using financial aid or veterans benefits, make sure you work on those requirements. You can find that information on your My Pima students, either financial aid and financial aid again, or veterans and veterans again. If you are paying out of pocket, be sure you use a register and pay link. You will find the total amount due here, and you just click on My Account Manager. You can also review a lot of great video tutorials found on the Pima website. Go to pima.edu, Student Resources, Support Services, and look for Digital Literacy Guides. You will be able to see all these amazing video tutorials. You would especially find it helpful to review the D2L Brightspace videos. And there's also a lot of video tutorials for the library. An important reminder is to make sure that you check the drop and withdrawal deadlines for your classes. You learn this information through the Connect You orientation. But as a reminder, make sure that you review the academic calendar for every semester found on the Pima website or your class schedule found on your My Pima account. A final important reminder, we are all here to support your academic career. We want you to succeed and also want you to have an amazing and positive experience while attending Pima Community College. In order to ensure you are successful, we must all work together. As a student, you will need to become knowledgeable and participate in your own academic planning. As your program advisors, we are here to provide the support and guidance you need to help you reach your academic goals. Remember, your ultimate goal is graduation. We are here to help support your journey.